Okay, today we will discuss the binary heap. So first we will discuss what is heap. Heap is basically for our complete binary tree. So what is the meaning of complete binary tree? Binary tree itself indicate that it will have maximum 2 children. Maximum is either 0, 1 or 2 children. So now what is complete binary tree? Complete binary tree means all nodes or all levels fill from left to right. Second rule is all leaf nodes should be present at n or n minus 1 level. Now if I will consider one example, so suppose we are having root node as 1, then whenever you want to insert next node, that should be a left child of this. So suppose this one is 2, third node will be inserted as a right child of root node. Now we have inserted root node first, then next will be left child of root, right child of root. Now whenever we will insert the next node, that will be a left child of your this node, means all levels. So this one is our level 0, level 1, level 2. All levels are fulfilled from left to right. And if you will consider leaf node, so 3 is leaf node and 4 is leaf node. All leaf nodes should be present at n or n minus 1 level. Now if I will represent this complete binary tree using array, so how we will represent? So suppose this one is our array. Now array always start from 0, 1. Now on 0th position we will place total number of nodes. So on first position we have to place the root node. So root node is 1. Then on second position we will place the left child of root node. So what is the left child of root node? 2. On third position we will place the right child of root. So we are having right child as a 3. Now after that, on next position if I want to place, so here I will place the left child of root. Now what is the meaning of left child of root? Left child of root is 2. So on this position means on fourth position we will place the left child of root. So this one is your left child of root. Now we have to find out the left child of that node. So that left child is 4. So in this way if I will insert one more node, that will be level should be from left to right. So here I will insert the 5. So 5 will be inserted at 5th position. So in this way we will insert all the nodes in the array. And on 0th position we have to place the total number of nodes. So here total number of nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on 0th position we will place the total number of elements as 5. Now if I will consider this tree, so we know that all leaf nodes are present at level n or n minus 1. So in general if I want to find out the for node I, if I want to find out the left child position, so see root is present at 1. So where your left child is present? At second position. Right child is present at which position? Third position. So in if root means if your node is present at first position, left child is present at second position, and right child is present at third position. If I will consider second node, so node number 2, so left child is present at which position? Fourth position, and right child is present at fifth position. If I will consider the third node is present, for third node left child is present at sixth position, right child is present at seventh position. So same way, third node is present at sixth position, right child is present at 7. So in general, if I want to find out the position of the left child of ith node, so that we will get as a 2i, and here we will receive as 2i plus 1. Now in reverse, suppose we know that our left child is present at ith position, so what will be the parent node position? So parent node position is I by 2. So we will apply all these techniques in heap. So basically heap is complete binary tree. Now we will use the complete binary tree. So as we know that if node present at ith position, left child should be present at 2i and right child is present at 2i plus 1. Now we will consider the heap. So basically heap having two types of heap. First one is max heap and min heap. Now what is the meaning of max heap? Again, max heap, min heaps are the types of heap, and heap is nothing but the complete binary tree. So in max heap, if I will consider any node, the value of that node should be greater than its children. Value of this node is, or value of parent node, it should be greater than its children. For example, if I will consider here as a 10, so 10, if we have to follow the max heap property, so value of this node is 10, 10 should be greater than this value, this node. So if I will consider here 4 and if I will consider here 3, so 4 and 3 is less than 10, so this follows max heap property. One more thing, if I will consider this node and if I will consider some child of this node, and if I will consider 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 is less than the value of this node, so again this node is also satisfy the max heap property. So this is the example of max heap. Now what is min heap? What value of this node should be the less than its children. Means if I will consider 10 here, so 10 should be less than its children. So here I can consider suppose 11 and 12. So 11 and 12 both are having larger value than the 10. So for example here we can consider 14 or 16. So this one is your this one is your min heap. Now what is the use of heap? So first use of your heap is sorting. Even we can use our heap for priority queue. So today we will discuss the application heap for sorting. Now if we want to sort the data, so first we will use, for example, suppose we have to implement the max heap. So first we will convert our array into the max heap. So what is our first step? we have to first accept the element. So if I will accept the elements are suppose 10, 2, 11, 14, 5, 7, 8. Now if I will consider this, so we will accept this and we will store into the array. So how it will store? So 10 will be, suppose assume that your root, so this will be present at first position, then 2, then 11, 14, 5, 7 and 8. So assume that positions are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on 0th position we have to place total number of elements. So total number of element 7. So 7 will be placed here. So how you will accept in C++? Suppose accept, what we have to accept? Total n number of elements. So how you will write? Int I for I equal to, from where we have to start? 1. I should be less than equal to n I plus plus. So C in, suppose name of this array is heap. So heap of I. So here we will give the return type of this function as a void. So we have to accept total n element. So that element we have accepted. Now we are accepted meaning we are represent this using array. But if I will consider the heap, meaning 10 is your root, 2 is the left child, then we are having 11 as a right child, then 14, 5, 7 and 8. So all these elements, just see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this heap we have to either convert into the max heap or min heap. So this one is basically a simple binary tree. So binary tree we will convert into the heap, means either we will convert into max heap or min heap. So how you will convert? We know the max heap means value of parent node should be greater than its children. So value of parent node should be greater than its children. So there are two methods. So first we will consider the, suppose down adjust. Now what this method will exactly do? We will start from root node. So what is our first step? We will first compare the child. We will first compare the child. Now which one is the greater, 2 or 11? 11. So we will point out this 11. Then after that we will compare the 11 with the parent node. First we have to compare the child, compare left and right child. Second, we will compare the parent with largest child node. Now, so 10 and 11, which one is the greater? 11. Then swap this element. So how we will swap? So 11 will be here and 10 will be here. So finally we receive again binary trees 11, 2, 10, 14, 5, 7, 8. Now we have to repeat this. How many times we will discuss. Now again we have to compare the left and right child. But which left and which left child? Sorry, right child. Now we will consider this node. So after root node we have to go for the left child of your root. Now just see. Which one is the first is compare left and right child. So left and right. So which one is the greater? 14 is the greater. Next, compare parent with largest child. So we will compare this 14 with the second child. So which one is the greater, 2 or 14? 14. So this one. So swap this. So 2 will be here, 14 will be here. Next, same method we have to apply in down edges. But before that, if my node or if my tree consists only this node, so 2, 11 or 2, 14. So how many nodes are present? 3. All leaf nodes are present at which level? First level. So for 3 node, I have to compare only one node. Means 11. If I will apply, means we will compare this and then we will compare this node. Now if I will add one more node. Now leaf node. All leaf nodes are present at which level? Suppose x, y, z any node. So all leaf nodes are present either this or this. So we have to start comparing from this. Means basically we have to apply max heap on only the n by 2 nodes. Means if my nodes are 4, so we will apply max heap from second node. So 1, 2. So 2 is having child. So 2. After 2 we will apply the max heap on first. If I will add one more node. So how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nodes. Again we will apply 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 again we will receive the 2. So 2, 1. Means we have to apply this down adjust method only for those nodes who are having child. We will not apply on any leaf node. Why? Leaf node has no child. So now we will discuss the actual down adjust method. Now we will discuss this program in next video.